Check out this 2006 Cadillac DTS. This is the set of wheels you've been looking for, with a powerful 8-cylinder engine that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission. Reach your destination effortlessly with GPS navigation. Stand out from the crowd with premium wheels. Brake safely with the anti-lock braking system. Heated seats offer comfort in cold weather. Tailor the temperature to your preference and your passengers. Memory settings are just one of the extras. Call today to schedule a test drive.